equate ko yung value ko as a human being with how much things I get done.
Yun yung
Income
nagpapapagod
generating.
sa'yo, Felice, eh. Kailangan mo lagi i-prove yung worth mo. Yun yung kailangan mo baguhin. Giving too much of yourself na actually hindi naman kailangan. You are enough. Hindi kami ni-measure sa mga natatapos mong gawin or na-contribute mo. Kailangan maniwala ka na ikaw mismo, you are enough. So, I think parang bagong skill yan na kailangan mo talaga ma-develop. Kung ganyan yung mindset mo, tas business, mauubos ka. Hindi siya healthy.
Yeah.
Kailangan mong mag-create ng balance.
Yeah.
Focus ka lang dun sa big rocks. Yung mga small rocks, alisin mo na. Huwag mo na siyang pansinin. So, okay ka na.
Yes. Thank you.
Mas klaro.
Yeah.
Okay, sige, balitaan mo ko.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, love you.
Love you.